this presentation on food safety guidelines for post-COVID era based on the Canada perspective. So with reference to that, what I will be covering in the next half an hour is COVID-19 status in the world, in Canada, and our province is Ontario. So our province, what is the situation of COVID, and what is the impact of COVID on the manufacturing and food industry in Canada, and then the role of government organizations in food safety, and then different COVID routes of transmission and what needs to be taken into consideration for food safety and shopping, and then food industry outbreaks. Here in Canada, we have had a lot of food industry outbreaks also for COVID. So I will go through those also. And then the steps to clean and sanitize the machinery in the food industry, what should be done, control of hand sanitizers, disinfectants, and also there's different false advertising, which also needs to be controlled. And then the 6 steps to get your food organization ready for COVID. So this is the worldwide situation of COVID.